Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to increase font size on Instagram in iPhone. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on Instagram app. Okay, then tap on Messenger, click on someone, then send text and type text. Then your text size is normal and short. Tap on settings, search on text size, then click text size, and volume is normal. Then this volume button swipe right. Okay, then check Instagram, then Messenger. Your text size is long. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.